Hello, hello, how are you today? Hello, hello, how are you today?
Hello everyone! So for today's video, we are going to do our run for phonics. So what do we need to do first? We need to get our apples ready. Okay, everybody get your apples ready like this. Okay, let's get started in 3, 2, 1.
A is for apple. B is for ball. K is for caterpillar climbing up the wall. D is for dinosaur. E for elephants. F is for flower. What a pretty scent. G is for girl. H is for horse. I is for insect crawling up your shorts. Ah! J is for jump. K for kangaroo. L is for legs, walking to the zoo. M is for mountain. N is for nets. O is for octopus, wiggly and wet. P is for parrots. Qu is for queen. Is for rabbit, hopping on the green. S is for snake. T is for tower. Is for umbrella, keeps you dry in the shower. V is for vulture. W is for worm. X is for exercising fox. Now we take a turn. Y is for yo-yo. Zip starts with Z. Now I know the alphabet, it's all in my head. Good job, guys!